Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Your Excellency, President Cabdulfutaah Al-siis, President of the Republic of Egypt, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor for me and my delegation to be here in Egypt today, and I'm very much grateful for the warm welcome that was accorded to me and to my delegation in this great country. Your Excellency, I'm not talking much about the historical relationship and the brotherly relationship between Egypt and Somalia for the past centuries, but the modern history of Somalia and Egypt is starting from during the liberation of Somalia in the 1950s after the Second World War. Egypt has taken a major role until it reached that Egyptians, they lost their life for the sake of liberating Somalia and standing for Somalia to become an independent country. We always remember the hero Kamaluddin and the role he played and the bravery position he took during our liberation struggle. And since the independence, Egypt and Somalia was linked by all means and all possible areas, economically, security-wise, and social service delivery-wise. There are still the schools built by the Egyptians in Mogadishu, in Somalia, in many parts of Somalia. There are still signs and symbols of our relationship there. It's only due to the circumstances that Somalia was facing in the last 3 decades that made our relationship bit halted. And all these 30 years, Egypt has always been with us to make sure that we come back to our rightful position in the international arena. And there is no much better time than we are today to bring back that. Your Excellency, we are very much grateful for the support provided in terms of our security, in terms of social delivery in Somalia, and in terms of the readiness for Egypt to support Somalia and continue the effort. The support that we are providing, we are receiving from Egypt is a unique support, is a support from the heart, is a support that's linked to our distinct history of the past, and the support that, as you rightly said, that helps our mutual interest in the region and in our part of the world. We are very much grateful for that. Somalia will be contributing its part in this mutual distinct future of our two nations, inshallah. And again, I cannot say more than saying I'm very much grateful for the role of Egypt in rebuilding Somalia. I thank you, Mr. President, and I thank the Egyptian people for their unwavering support for the revival and rightful Somalia. I thank you. Thank you, Excellency.